International, national and voluntary agencies for environmental conservation. Earth Scan, an agency founded by UNEP is 1976. Commission original article on environmental matter and sells them as feature to newspaper and magazine, especially in developing countries. Environmental Protection Agency, an independent federal agency of US government, deal with protection of environment from air, water, solid wastes, radiation, pesticide, noise, pollution, etc. European Economics Communities, communities of 12 European nations, has joint agriculture and scientific programs, has program of framing and implementation of coordinated policy for environmental improvement and conservation of natural resources. CPCB, India has projected on air quality monitoring with assistance of EEC, Human Exposure Assessment Location, a part of health related monitoring program by WHO in cooperation with UNEP, has three components: air monitoring, water monitoring, food contamination monitoring on global basis. International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources, an autonomous body founded in 1948 with its HQ and Morgus, initiated initiates and promotes scientifically based conservation measures, also cooperate with UN and other intergovernment agencies and sister bodies of Worldwide Fund for Nature. International Marine Consultative Organization is IMCO, regulates the operation of ships in seas. From marine water pollution viewpoint, South Asia Cooperative Environment Program set up the exchange of professional knowledge and expertise on environmental issues among members countries Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Iran, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. United Nations Education, Scientific and Culture Organization UNESCO, an UN agency founded in 1945 with HQ and Paris, supports activities related to environment quality, human settlements, training to environment and engineers, and other social culture prog related to environment. United Nations Environment Program and UN agency set up is 1972 with HQ at Nairobi, Kenya, response for cooperation of intergovernment measures for environmental monitoring and protection. Formulate international guidelines for management of the environment, assisting many such programs in India. World Commission on Environment and Development. A 23 members commission set up in 1984 re-examines the critical environment and development issues and formulate proposal for them, calls for political action to manage better environmental resources to ensure human progress and survival, makes an assessment of the level of outstanding and commitment of individual voluntary organizations and governmental bodies on environmental issues. Earthwatch program, a worldwide program started in 1972, monitoring trends in the environment based on a series of monitoring stations. Its activities are coordinated by UNEP. Project Earth, developed in collaboration with UNEP to inspire and educate young people on crucial issues facing the Earth environment, man and biosphere. The program is the outcome of International Biological Program, formally launched by UNESCO in 1971. 14 projects areas under this program. Greenpeace, a non-profit organization with a presence of 40 countries across Europe, the America, Asia and the Pacific, established in 1971, focused on most crucial worldwide threats to biodiversity and environment, campaigns to stop climate change, protection ancestor forest, save the ocean, say no to genetic engineering, stop the nuclear threat, eliminate toxic chemical, etc. Conservation of International, founded in 18 sorry 1987, CL is headquartered at Washington DC and work in more than 40 countries, majority of them in developing countries, involve in innovative leader in global biodiversity conservation, identifies and overcome threats to biodiversity, has